Welcome to UDP Tech's latest update. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through setting up and using the RCJ Tunnel VPN, a powerful app that provides ultra-fast servers and supports a range of protocols. Whether you need secure browsing, access to geo-blocked content, or enhanced privacy, RCJ Tunnel has everything you need. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by opening the Google Play Store. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search icon at the top. In the search bar, type RCJ Tunnel and hit enter. From the list of results, locate the RCJ Tunnel app with the VPN icon and tap on it. On the app page, tap the install button. Depending on your internet speed, the download and installation might take a few minutes, so just hang tight. When the installation is complete, tap the open button to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, you may be prompted to allow certain permissions. You can choose to accept or decline based on your preferences. Next, make sure your mobile data is turned on. This is essential for updating the server list in RCJ Tunnel. Wait a few moments for the app to refresh and load the latest server options. Step 3. Navigating the app is easy. There are two main sections, one for selecting a server and another for choosing a protocol. Let's start with the server selection. Tap the server section, and a list of global server locations will appear. Browse through the list and choose the server that fits your needs best. You can always switch servers at any time. Step 4. Now, tap on the tweak button to explore the built-in protocol options. Scroll through and select the one that works best for your connection. Whether you go with the default settings or a custom tweak, RCJ Tunnel offers flexibility for everyone. Step 5. Once you've selected both your server and protocol, head back to the home screen. You'll see a large Start button. Tap it, and within seconds, you'll be securely connected to the internet. That's all, you're now ready to browse safely and privately. Step 6. If you want to set up RCJ Tunnel on other devices or computers, I've created a separate tutorial for that. Be sure to check the description or comments for the link to that guide. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. And remember to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.